Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In this next example, we're asked to evaluate a minus 4 where a equals 3. Okay, so we have our variable a, and we're going to substitute 3 in for a. So let's substitute 3 in for a here. Our new expression will be 3. In fact, I need to fix that real quick. We have 3 minus 4. Well, what's the difference between 3 and 4? Well, it's 1. So I can just write 1 down real quick, but I've got to ask myself, if I'm taking 3, a smaller number, and I'll just write that down real quick in a different color. 3 is a smaller number, and I'm subtracting it by a larger number. 4 is larger than 3. Will my number become bigger or smaller? Well, it should become smaller. And well, 1 is smaller than 3, but I've also got to ask myself, well, if I'm looking on the number line, let's get a number line down here real quick. So here's the number line. Well, we have 0 on the number line, and we started at 3, positive 3, but we took 4 away from 3, so we moved to the left. But our number, it should not only become smaller than positive 1, it should become smaller than 0, because if I were to take 3 away from 3, well, that would be it would land exactly at 0. We're taking a larger number away from 3, so it should become smaller than 0. So whenever you take a small number or a smaller number and subtract it by a larger number, the value should become negative. It should be smaller than 0. So we land, in this case, not at 1, positive 1, but we land at negative 1 in this case. So the difference might be 1 for the difference between 4 and 3. Since we're subtracting by a larger number, the value will actually become negative. So I can box this information up. 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1.